To make this super easy cheetah print cupcake topper. So what you're going to need is some circles, pre-cut circles. I've already cut them out. They're made of tan fondant and let them dry. You're going to need 2 paintbrushes, a larger and a smaller. The larger for the brown, the smaller for the black. Some vodka to mix your colors, and a black and a brown gel color. So the first thing you're going to do is mix your colors. You're going to take some of the black and some of the brown. So I'll go do the black. You take some of the gel color on a toothpick and mix it in with your vodka. I've already got the vodka in here, my little paint mixer. You can also use a plate for this. You can use a little bowl. You don't need to have one of these paint mixers. It's only because I do it so often that I need it. And you mix it all up until you have a liquidy consistency, but still the color you need. And then do the exact same thing with the brown. Take your toothpick, take some of your gel color, and put it in here. And now if it's not the right color, you can stick your toothpick right back in because the vodka, it evaporates, so it won't ruin your gel colors. And use your paintbrush to just wipe it off there and mix it up until you have a nice deep brown color. And now you're ready to start painting. So you're going to take your circle here, and what you're going to do is you're going to start with the brown, and you are going to paint little ovals in an even pattern around on your fondant. So start with the brown and dab it so it gets a little bit of texture. And dab. All around. And then obviously if you're doing a cake or something bigger, you can make your dabs much bigger. But if you just paint it and don't dab it, it doesn't give the right texture, and it doesn't look quite like cheetah print, as much like cheetah print. This dab, they don't have to be even, they don't have to be perfect, and actually the more imperfect they are, usually the better it looks. So then when you're done with the brown, it'll look something like that. And then when you're adding the black, I like to work in groups of 3. 1 longer and 2 smaller is how I think about it. So I take my black, dab it. You don't want to have too much paint on there, so just wipe it off. And so you'll do 1 longer around the outside of the brown and 2 smaller on each one on the opposite sides. And you keep going, dab, 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 dab. A little bit more. Again, this doesn't need to be perfect, but it's really simple once you get going, and you just need the effect. And if you have a smaller one that's on the edge, you just do 2 dabs, or else there'll be too much black. And there you have it. Super simple cheetah print design for a cupcake topper.